Hello and welcome to this very special Peti show. So give me a moment while we get started on Instagram as well. Here we go. Instagram, Facebook, welcome to our very special Peti show. Now this one is really fun and that's what it's meant to be. We just kind of came up with this fun concept and we thought we just want to show you what are the things that we carry with us. Okay, so that's the whole idea, that कुछ beautiful few pieces हम अपने साथ लेके जाते हैं, and that is what we're going to be showing you in this Peti show. So you can imagine that many of these are really special, they're new arrivals, so all of that is going to be coming in this live for you. Okay, everybody who's online, a big warm welcome. It's going to be a great week for us. Wish us great luck. Okay, we're going to be heading to Chandigarh and Ludhiana tomorrow. So the team will start flowing in from tomorrow. Our pieces have already gone in. It's a lot of excitement in the air, and this is the only live, of course, that will be possible, which is a planned live for this week. We're expecting Wednesday to be all about Chandigarh. Then on 27th morning, we're going to be transiting to Ludhiana and going to be set up by 2 o'clock. So remember everybody, Ludhiana mein we are going to start our show at 2 on 27th and 28th the entire day. जो भी हमारे एड्रेसेस हैं, सारी डिटेल्स हैं, आप हमें पूछ सकते हैं. इट्स ऑल्सो ऑन द पेज, बट जरूर आए हमारे फेसबुक इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे. अच्छा, दूसरी बात जो मुझे ये कहना है, अगर आप नए हैं हमारे पेज पे या आप देखते आए हैं बट यू हैव नेवर इंटरैक्टेड विद अस, इट्स ऑलवेज अ ग्रेट आइडिया कि जो आपके पीसेस आपको पसंद आ रहे हैं, हमने बहुत सारे लाइव्स किए हैं एंड वीडियोस भी हैं, उसमें से आप जरूर हमें स्क्रीनशॉट भेज के पूछिए कि व्हाट इज इट दैट यू आर लाइकिंग. हम आपको प्राइस डिटेल सब बता सकते हैं सो दैट आप अपनी विश लिस्ट रेडी कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो फॉर दैट वाज फॉर एवरीबडी कमिंग टू द शो. फॉर एवरीबडी एल्स, दिस इज योर चांस टू गेट ऑल ऑफ दीज ब्यूटिफुल पीसेस राइट अवे, बिकॉज ये सब रेडी है शिप करने के लिए. एंड येस, 1 week later, we'll be back with the live now on 31st March. So yeah, 1 full week. But that's why we're going to be leaving you with some amazing pieces for you to pick up today, because again, tomorrow morning, these pieces leave with the team to Chandigarh, of course. Now, what I'm wearing is from our latest collection of Rosanna. It's the most beautiful, intricate, work on a cotton base, and it's all in Karwa. You can see the lovely Meena right there. Okay, and I'm going to come to the colors of it. But what I'm going to start out are some fun things that I've been kind of wanting to show you. The first one is this beautiful Georgette suit for you, and look at the attractive, wonderful colors that you can see. This is the dupatta, okay, and I'm going to now show you the kurta along with it. जो भी आपको पसंद आए, I know many of you are planning also to send your friends, husbands, sisters to the show. Feel free to ask us. हमें कोई इसमें offense नहीं है that when you come and ask us the price. It's always a good thing, okay? So I'll give you a general, like some things like these will all be 40,000 plus. So that's the price. Now look at that. That's a beautiful color. Love the touch of orange Meena with this yellow, and this comes with a plain bottom. Okay, now I'm going to show you the plain bottom as well. That's the bottom. और ये जो 3-piece सूट सेट है, ये ready to ship है. This is in pure Georgette kurta and bottom, kurta and dupatta. The bottom is in plain chinia silk. Okay, so all of these wonderful pieces are ready to go out today. Now the next one that I'm going to again show you is this pastel color. Okay, this pastel, look at that wonderful Sona Rupa right there. And so I'll give you a general heads up. Cotton suits, because I know many of you anyways joining from all over the world on our pages. So I want to also give you a heads up ki cotton suits, which are not today actually a part of the show, but generally they start at 10,000. Something that I'm wearing is from our premium collection. These are all 50,000 plus. Dupattas in silks will be about 20,000 plus. Georgettes also like 14,000-15,000. Dupatta and cottons from 5,000. So I'm giving you a general range so that it's really easy for you to kind of find your favorite one. Now look at this beautiful one. Do we just kind of switch on? Okay, I'm just going to switch on from my network. Give me a minute. Okay, not focus, sorry, I removed the focus. Okay, give me a second. So I just want to kind of yes. So now look at that beautiful one. This is such a nice pastel look और इसका भी जो बॉटम है रेडी है. Now these suit sets are all ready to be shipped out today to you. So anybody who's ordering from around anywhere in the world, okay, you can be having it for in your hand right away. Now just check this out. This really gorgeous one, and it's Meena, and it's linen. So what I'm showing you, oh look at that. That's, I think, brilliant. I mean, what spells a spring summer more than this? These are formal, these are beautiful, they are absolutely amazing. Okay, complete looks for you. A very good morning to everybody who's joining in. It's Monday morning. It's the start of a big week. We are, we have the anxiety, we have the joy. It's all mixed. You know how it is, right? And that is how it should be before everyone. Okay. Now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you a whole lot of the stunning colors that we have, and just for the show, they're all ready. And first things first, this very beautiful, stunning kesari color in our neem buta. Neem buta हमारा एक special है. These are 5,800 per meter. आप by the meter ले सकते हैं. The whole look is of course of same on same. उसी का joy है. And I have the most beautiful colors. But look at that. I mean, each one, it has its own whole look, feel. It's absolutely amazing. Okay, I'm going to keep taking them away because आप एक एक देखिए, हर की खूबसूरती अलग है. They are meant to be worn as a cord, like a same on same. आप चाहें तो इन पे कोई भी दुपट्टा ले सकते हैं. टिश्यू दुपट्टा in gold, a same on same दुपट्टा, which you can take. And we have all of these colors which are available. And yeah, now look at that. अब ये दो चीज़ों से स्टाइल्ड है. That's how we've thought when I was making it. This is what I wanted to do, that आप चाहे सिर्फ ये पहने because ये बहुत खूबसूरत है. It looks really wonderful as a cord, I said. And दूसरी चीज़ है कि अगर आप इन पे चाहें तो you can wear like any dupatta or something as beautiful as this. What can you not wear? You can wear red, green, yellow, pink, orange, blue, black, whatever you have in mind. This can serve in as a base for it. And all the colors, and I'm showing you all, there's so many of them, and beautiful ones which have all been made like this. Yeah, look at that. It's such nice colors, pastels being dark, and the last one is going to be this. All of these pieces are here with us, and that's the whole thing, that you can kind of get them today. This one, now there was a brighter yellow, this is more chromish yellow. I think they're really gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to go to the organza dupatta, and then I'm going to come to this part. Okay, now look at that. That's absolutely wonderful, made in Karwa, just stunning. Yesterday we did put out a small video. I just had those in my hand, and I found it so tempting, that I said that I have to show you these dupattas, which were the ombre dupattas. And look at that. Now, many of you have asked us for the pictures. मेरा ये हमेशा ये मानना है that ombre में the pictures don't do justice. If you're actually asking our team, ask them for a video, let them wear it and send it to you, because it is so beautiful. The moment you go for like a raw picture or something, it just kind of falls flat. Maza hi nahi aata. So either we'll do it on the floor, because you need to see the fluff, you need to see the joy. These handwork dupattas, so they have handwork, they have detailing, they have the ombres, they are perfect for this season. Now these dupattas are two types. मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. There is the single color, there is the ombre color. The ombres are for 17,800. The single color ones are for 15,800. And just so, yes, yesterday sari ombre the, but today I'm going to be showing you the beautiful colors. Now what is it that you're going to be needing with this? You're going to need just a plain chiniya silk suit, a buta chiniya suit. That's all that you will going to be needing with it to kind of make it like a full look. But अगर आप चाहे, you want to just kind of keep it like this, it looks good to you, तो आप ये भी पहन सकते हैं. Now look at that, here it is. Now this is a lovely one, really different, because आप अगर चाहेंगे, मतलब this is like so much joy in it. 3 colors all together for you to be wearing. It's absolutely wonderful, and just look at the joy. So these are of course all there for you. They're also available, right? Of course they will be coming. And for everybody else, okay, so I'm telling you how it's going to work. Yeah, you can of course decide that you want to buy this tomorrow. The only thing that will happen is that they will ship on 31st of March once we are back. Our stuff is back with us. So tab ye ship hoenge on 31st March. That's the only thing. So if you want to go for it right away, then you should place your order right away so that you can kind of place it. Now these are wonderful. You can see that here it is. Some last more colors that we want to show you. I think this blue is so fresh. It's really really pretty. और इसके साथ में आपको एक और blue. So this is like a sky color, you know, and it's a single one. Now look at that. That's the whole thing. मैं बूटा भी आपको बहुत clearly दिखाती हूँ so that it's there. You know, look at that. This is here, and this is all the detailing that there is. Okay, and this is the last one that we have. Okay, and the last one is this lovely one. Okay, now a lot of you say that, you know, tell us that which is the one that's going to look better in it. Okay, now there is no better in sense ki kaun sa color zyada acha lagega. You want to wear it with yellow, go for yellow. You want to go with firozi, go for that. You know, ideally yes, jo corner ke sides ke colors hain, those are the better ones to wear when you're wearing a shaded one. It kind of looks more as a set, you know, if that's what you like. Otherwise, wear it on a white, wear it on a black, wear it on a gold. You know, I mean, it works all ways. ये जो suits है, of course, मैं इसके आपको colors दिखाने ही वाली हूँ. I'm just going to come out with it. But before I get into it, and you know, the whole thing of this suit that I'm wearing, it's like 3 meters. कम से कम है इनमें कपड़ा, you know, 3 meters तो है ही. And the bottom fabric is also there. The most elaborate, beautiful dupatta. And you can wear your jewels, you can enjoy it in summers, and I do have the most amazing colors. So I will get to that in just a bit. But before that, what I wanted to show you was something really special. Okay, this is the first one that we made, and it's absolutely amazing. Now what do you see, guys? This is our newest linen fabric, and yes, it's a linen cotton composition. But not only that, what you're also seeing with it is a karwa weave on it. So yes, you know, this, like all of these beautiful compositions, that's what we have been working on for such a long time. And what you're seeing, so this is all gold motifs. Look at that. This is made in karwa. There is of course that checkered, very maheen checkered design for you to be wearing. And then, so base is linen cotton, and this time we've tried linen cotton instead of linen silk. That's very important. It's pure cotton, 100%. There is a karwa weave, and it's got this really cool checks with it. Now, when you're thinking that you want a really dressy but very beautiful, very different look, this is what you're going to go for. Okay, this is our first ever, and we are so happy with it. Love the peaches and the orange combination in karwa. Enjoy this beautiful fabric. Yes, आज ये पेटी शो का एक special है ये, and there are going to be so many other specials as well. We'll keep going at it. And the suits were all amazing, the ones that I started out with. और हमेशा याद रखिए that our you know, it's always posted. Okay, so जो भी हम live करते हैं वो हमेशा post होता है. This is a wonderful one. And okay, if you're wondering on how soft it is this soft. Okay, very very soft. अभी इसको हमने हल्का सा, you know, we have given it a, not, I wouldn't say stiff, it's just a little ऐसा थोड़ा गफ लुक हमने दिया है इसको, ताकि अगर आप चाहें तो इसको एकदम soften हो जाएगा. All that you have to do is spray water on it and then iron it. It'll become very soft. You know how linen is typically. But right now we've kept it. I leave it up to you. Okay. Now the other greatest thing, what do you think is it? It is that you don't need lining. It's not necessary. If you want to wear it, wear it. If you don't want to wear it, it's up to you. And this is all that I have. So this is your chance. Okay. Ideally, wear it top and bottom. चाहे short kurta पहने या long पहने, top and bottom, like more like Western kind of a cord or an Indian kind of a cord. But wear it top bottom. That's going to be the look of it. Otherwise, sure, you can always go for plain bottoms. That's always there. But it's a beautiful fabric. Very happy to have made it, and really, really happy to be showing you this. Okay, so that was one amazing fabric for you coming up. Now another amazing fabric that we have, and we now have it again, is our very pretty 2-color Meenakari premium cotton fabric. And there you go. Just look at the beauty of this. It's completely made in karwa. and it's this wonderful, wonderful white color. These are not to be dyed. These are not to be dyed, and you know, the whole look is again just to be worn, same on same as it is. I think it looks amazing. You know, it feels great. So when you're looking for one nice एक dressy kurta अगर आप चाहें and you want to wear something special, this is a very beautiful fabric. And of course, summer favorite, spring summer favorite, it has to be in white. You can also do the lighter pink or darker pink ka bottom and just wear this. It is the most beautiful hand woven fabric, and you know, you'll have to see it to believe it how clean it is. But I think all the details are so clear right here. Okay, and I'm also going to show you the back. Both the fabrics, Karwa, okay, the one that I showed you, linen, and this, both of them the same price, 6,800 per meter. So yes, that's the math behind it. Go for just a 2.5 meter, or go for a 5-6 meters, or a same on same. I leave it up to you. But this one, so I'm going to be very clear about it. This one you can definitely go for a plain bottom. But if you're not planning to wear a dupatta, go for a contrast one. If you're planning to wear a dupatta, do a off-white bottom and a hot pink dupatta. Beautiful. Even a kota dupatta bahut acha lagega. And for that one, yeah, you definitely have to go same on same. Uska to wahi joy hai. That's going to be the whole thing about it. Okay. Now we're going to get to the colors of this Rosanna suit sets that I'm wearing. This is our signature color. What is it? Is it pink? Yes, it's a softer pinkish color. It is the most, okay, I'm going to now come and show you our beautiful dupatta completely so that you can have a full look, and then I'm going to get to some work. Mujhe iske colors bhi dikhane hai, so I'm going to do that. And yes, we are very excited. It's the start of the last week. In fact, last week, 31st Monday is also March, but yeah, we are already on the 3rd month. It's the last week, and this week is going to be amazing. We are so looking forward to it. 2 cities in 3 days. That's what we're going to be covering and coming back. We are here today. So yes, this studio is open. Agar aap soch rahe hain ki what is it that we have in the studio, we have lots of it. So if you're planning to come, please come. You know, we are here all week. The team is there, and yes, multiple. So you know, that's how I think how it works. As you grow, you know, your team becomes bigger, your work becomes bigger. It's like, you know, we have so many things going on simultaneously, and we're so excited about it. But the most is coming to your town, of course, and ye live, because this happens to be the last live of the week. Okay, so that's Rosanna, and this is you know, for somebody and for everybody who enjoys luxury at a everyday basis, you know, because honestly, you know, you don't need it in your cupboard to keep it and, you know, keep it. You need to wear this. Okay, Naam Rosanna, but you can be wearing this on events. You can be wearing this on functions. It's absolutely mind-boggling beauty. Okay, जो पूरा essence था इसका of keeping the name Rosanna was the fact that luxury should be for every day, and it can be for every day when we make these beautiful suits, because now the composition is very unique. It's all hand woven. This is the ultra beautiful white. Remember, in sabhi mein bottoms hua hai weave saath mein. Now I'm going to show you like how. Like this is my bottom, and I'm also used this border which is there. Of course, I've given this pink piping to match it. You can give this pink piping. So the sabhi ke bottoms isi ke saath bane hue hain. And now you say you want to do a kalidar kurta, like use the bottom in your this kali, give a alternate kali of this buta and of this. It's going to look wonderful. Now this is the most beautiful shade of green. Now just look at that. It's amazing. I love the whole freshness, the whole contrast with it. Each one super beautiful. So when you're looking for that wonderful look, you know, when you really want to keep it very classy, very beautiful, and absolutely, you know, different from anything that you have seen, this is your look for it. Okay, and I'm going to show it to you like this. Look at this wonderful color. And now isme mere paas bottom, actually all the bottoms we stitch when we go to our shows, but isme mere paas bottom loose hai, and I'm going to show it to you. Now that's the bottom. See, that's the bottom with all of them, with this gold zari, the most wonderful, elaborate but very easy dupatta for you to wear and I think it's going to be absolutely stunning, each one of these. Yes, so get your shopping list ready. But everybody who's here online, ye chance hai, it is the first and the last live of the week, and this is your channel. Now let's see this one. Now summer weddings, this is your look, okay? And the most beautiful thing is that yes, it's absolutely amazing. You know, the most beautiful thing of this is you can wear the most gorgeous jewels. It looks amazing with it, you know, long neck pieces, and it will. So when you're thinking like, you know, oh, summer weddings, what am I going to wear? It's going to be so hot, or it's on the beach. I know so many of you going for destinations wedding. This is as classy and as wonderful as it gets. The sheen is because there is a silk thread to it, the very best zari, meenakari, karwa, all of it together. And now I'm going to show you the bottom. That's the bottom of it. Look at that. That's your full color. And really you have to see this. And I'm going to show this to you on how soft this fabric is in just a minute. You know, mera man nahi karta, but I have to do it because I want to show you what flawless fabric. Look at that. Ultra soft, flowy, gorgeous, and you know, grandness to it. So it's really about this grandness that you have. I have two more colors even after this that I'm going to be showing you. So yes, our palette is entirely complete. I think this is going to be wonderful for, of course, Eid, which is just now, and for the summer weddings. Now look at that, very soft. All the colors have been chosen, that the pink, the Meena, will really stand out, will look amazing, okay? And this is the second last color. So many options for you to choose from. Oh, look at that. It's so beautiful. Now you like the softer one, then you go for the one that I'm wearing. Both versions of pink, but you know, yeah, very different looks. As you say, this is all about natural colors, and that this is about slightly darker but very pretty pink as well. So many options for you to go for. The last one is going to be, this is like a mango color and very fresh. Each one जो है, इसकी जो beauty है वो contrast हो रही है with the you know, with the, let's go to these sets, these nature, yes. The beauty is contrasting with the Meena. All the colors have been chosen accordingly. These are 3-piece hand woven Meenakari, Garwa and suits, and you can pick up any of these wonderful colors that you see. Now we're going to go from this to, we're going to go on head to the silks, and we have the most stunning silk combinations. You know, I have about say 10 colors which I'm going to be showing you, and these are like statement dupattas for you to have, okay? And when you say a statement dupatta, there's no time, there's no season, there's no reason. Why I say that? Because when you see a piece that you like, you are going to go for it. You know, that's how it's going to be. Because you know, you say, "Yeah, मेरा तब है season, तब आपके पास ये रहेगा." नहीं यार, I mean, that's never possible, okay? So whatever you see, whatever you find, go for it now, okay? And I'm showing you एक के बाद एक बढ़ के from our heritage collection of the most beautiful dupattas for all the prices, for all the details. Just come on, you know, WhatsApp. That's how you're going to be placing order. Look at that. That's amazing. Okay, next combination. तो मैंने इनके साथ क्या किया है, we have made a combination that you can wear with चिनिया silk. Of course, बहुत सारे grand fabrics भी हैं हमारे पास जिनके साथ ये बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. I will give you an example of those as well, you know, somewhere. But now when you see like you wearing a statement dupatta like this, all you will need is this beautiful base. ये ensembles हैं, आप साथ में खरीदें, आप अलग खरीदें, that's always a possibility. But just look at this beauty. एक से बढ़कर एक है color combination. There are about 10 of these, which will kind of be enough for you, to pick up your most wonderful combination. And just see each and every dupatta that you're going to be seeing here. There you go. Now that's the whole look from purple. So, you know, many of you saying, you know, I want a particular look in this color. Today, you know, these combinations that I'm showing you, you will see every color that you have in mind, okay? Even something like this. Now, this is, you know, of course, a simpler bhuta. Ye beech mein ek aaya hai katan silk. Now this is Katan silk with a Karwa Georgette Sona Rupa dupatta, and as beautiful. So of course this is a very different price point altogether, like the kurta and the dupatta both from the others that you're showing, like we're showing you, like the chinia are all 3250 per meter. This beautiful dupatta is 26,800. Okay, and you can get all of these details the moment you send us a picture. And see, that's the whole joy. We are coming to you with these exquisite pieces, and just come and it's like going to be a crazy day of beautiful shopping. So yes, get and be ready. It's going to be amazing. And for everybody coming on the show, guys, for everybody waiting for the live, this is the live that we have before we head tomorrow. So yes, and this is the first and the last live of the week. And of course all of last week also we did a back-to-back 2 lives. What a beautiful combination. Like, this is so stunning, just the most amazing dupatta. Okay, so you've been wanting for pastels, and I'm going to show you the perfect pastel combination as well. There you go, this grand dupatta, and along with it you are seeing this. So you're seeing chinia suit and this most beautiful dupatta in Katan, and you can wear this as a combination. Acha, what can you do? You can straight suit, of course, possible hai, but you can do a kalidar. You can do a lot of kali in these. Like, the fabric you can buy by the meter as much as you want. Now, how amazing is that? Our classic creams with just a hint, of red there in the dupatta. They are beautiful. Each design speaks a different story of craft, of design. The idea behind making each one of them very, very different. But we have like 3 more colors for us to go down, and that's what we are showing you right away. Now there you go. What an attractive, beautiful one. Here you go. That's an orange. Sabhi mein same on same ho sakta hai for your bottoms. You can do a plain bottom. You can do a plain katan. You want to make it even richer, like you say, yaar mujhe chinia nahi pehna, I want to wear katan. Sure, we can dye the katans for you. But no matter what you say, each one of these, like, look at that, look at the richness. Okay, if you're here for the first time, chahe ab exhibition aane, chahe I know that many of you are joining in for the first time in our shows. Remember that we sell only, and we only make pure fabric dupattas and unstitched suits. Okay, that's the 3 categories that we do. Everything is pure. That's the speciality that we make. Not only is that, but most intricate weaves and designs and crafts that we have revived, we have made it possible. The unique compositions, all of those are for you. Okay, now, okay, there you go. This is again a very soft, very light, very pretty combination for you to see. There you go. And the very second last combination that you're going to be seeing in this, and oh my god, isn't that just grand? Every one of these pieces are readily available right away for you, and oh my god, that's so amazing. Just look at the beauty of this piece. This is a silver buta, and this is of course Katan silk. You say you want it with the gold buta, that's also possible. I'm just going to bring a black one because you can never have enough of black, and this bright vibrant color in black. And of course these fabrics are dyed, so you will see that each one of these zaris will also have the color that they've been dyed to. So I think the zaris are very different. I would just say that this is just gorgeous as it is. You can do a black stunning suit, and then you can wear even the ombre dupattas, tissue dupattas, they would really be amazing with it. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we are going, I mean, ये जितने भी मैंने आपको दिखाए थे सब ensemble, you can go for it together, you can go for it separately, but now I have some most beautiful things. As I said, we carry these amazing things with us in our hand, of course. बहुत सारा है, like we send boxes and boxes, like tons of stuff go out in our trucks with our team, for you to the shows, and some exclusive few which we want to kind of also be and keep with us. We keep it in our hands. So all of this, is going to go out with us tomorrow. For everybody, wanting pictures and wanting to place your order to get these amazing stunner of a pieces right away, this is the time. So that's your, now I'm going to show you 3 options, each as special as it gets, with a very special fabric as well. So take a screenshot, come on WhatsApp and place your order. Okay, first things first, the second option in your rung cut, and there you go, this one. And it's got this hot, look at that whole base of purple right there. Now with this, what you will need, and you can of course take it separately, is this, the most ravishing fabric that we have ever made. This is Katan silk, this is Jangla, this is Jal, this is Karwa. It's all of it together in a most premium fabric. I'm also going to be showing it to you like this. And yes, this is available, and this is for you to place your order. Come on WhatsApp, that's the best and the easiest way. You can wear it together, you can wear them separately. I mean, agar saath mein aap pehante, of course, it's a look all together which is just of grandness and just, absolute beauty. Now, and that's your third option for your rung cuts, and here it is. All the prices will be shared with you on WhatsApp. That's how we sell actually, That's how we interact with you. That's how we build things with you. That interaction, it's absolutely amazing and very, very important. Now with this, the combination that I am going to be showing you is this. This is the second color, and just look at what perfection can be when you're looking for it. It is this fabric. It's a story altogether. I mean, you have seen the beauty of it. एक piece ये बनता है in about 75 days for about we're talking about just 8 meters of fabric. The skill level required for making this combination is totally different. On a different loom, these dupattas getting made, again 60 days behind one particular dupatta. This 75 days of work together as a combination made on a totally different looms, totally different set of karigars who work on it, but as a combination it's absolutely perfect, and that's what we are able to do all from here in Mumbai. Okay, so there you go, that's your second color for this one. Okay, we'll come, one speciality that we have, and we really are so proud of having made it, is our real zari suits. I just think that this is a good way of saying that we do it, and somehow also giving you a glimpse. Okay, now one of the things we do a lot of, we were doing an exercise on brand identity and what is it that we help you do. And there used to be a time when the most precious, and it happens even today, that suppose somebody's a great carpet maker and then nobody knows about it. It's one quaint shop in one corner of the world where you have no access to, of course, and it's also done in a very small and a beautiful, nice way. Now what we've done with that entire thought process is that wo jo quaint shop, it remains quaint in the sense that we have the most mind-boggling collection, and you have to be here in our lives, or you have to come on WhatsApp to interact. So I know that it's not possible. If you're sitting in New York, you can't be talking to us, you can't be in our studio, but that's why I say come on WhatsApp. We will give you the same experience. We have brought the craft to the world. We've made it into a business, business which kind of connects hundreds of us together to be able to make this and to bring it out to you. Real zari suits, this is our speciality. This is the first thing. It's like, step backward. This is the first piece that I made in 2018. I've said this story before of where I would like my brand to be a few years later, in 2017 in fact. And today we have an entire collection of suits that we make. This was possible from last year. So, that's my vision that I had for Neve. And I'm just so happy that with your love and, all the love that you pour into us, we've been able to do, and I've been able to achieve that all thanks to you. And, there you go. This is our most exclusive suit sets. I'm just giving you a glimpse. You've got to come. These are the first ever compositions of real zari in Munga. Okay, we don't take it out often, but I know that sometimes you need to do it because this is your connection and my connection, okay? This is the medium that we reach the entire world with, and this is also the medium which we use to bring out the very best of the crafts. And you know, there's a lot of talk about will the craft survive. Yes, it's very difficult, but we made it our work, we made it our job, we made it our business to make it survive and thrive with at least the group and the hundreds of group of Neve Circle of people we work with to be in a, you know, to be able to do something like this. Now there you go, all of these details, these are every single thread of metallic zari that you see is real zari, it's silver zari, and then it's electroplated with gold. That's what I'm showing you. And look at the collection, look at the size of each of these collection, you know, that you can only and only have at Neve. And this is our newest design that we've done in the real zari, and what a beautiful color. And as I said, these are a matter of art, these are a matter of collection, and we just happen to have it today, and we are showing it to you. We may be in the mood to show it to you today, especially given that we are coming to a new place, and we carry these with us, but they're never on display. So if you are interested in these, do get details and do ask us, and we will show them to you, okay? Now this is a color just to die for. I mean, look at that, look at this, you wearing it, your daughter wearing it, your daughter-in-law wearing it. This is art, this is inheritance actually, because you know, I've had my real zari pieces from you know, from my, of course from my grandmother, but she had also gotten some of those from our mothers. So basically to say that the life of these pieces that you see, it's in which 10-15 नहीं, बहुत ज़्यादा सालों की होती है, and you have to pass it down. It's like jewelry, you wear it, you share it. There's so many memories to each one of these pieces that just kind of gets carried ahead and just gets binded together. You know, it's beautiful, just that whole idea of real silver zari. क्योंकि आज बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं मेरे पास, I can't spend so much time, but yes, real silver zari pieces are something so close to my heart. It's one of my, you know, the spectacular vision that I have to be able to do something to this craft with Neve, and yeah, I hope to achieve that very soon with all of you. Okay, so there you go. The most amazing organza dupattas. So when you're coming, yes, you are expecting these beautiful pieces to be there, which is going to be organza, premium cottons, you know, all summer fabrics, and you know, chanderi cottons, and of course silks, which have all been kind of, you know, designed in a way that they're going to work so brilliantly for the season. Now look at that, the softness of it, it just kind of settles down. Yes, many of our looks are on pre-order, so that's true that many of our looks, including the blue premium cotton, you know, the red organza, our first ever collection in that's also on pre-order. The Gul Buta in cotton, that's also on pre-order. But what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be displaying it right there, and apart from the very vast collection that you can see, और सभी में दूसरे colors available हैं. It's only the signature colors are all on pre-order, but you can see the display. You can choose from the many colors that we have, and if you still would like to go for the signature colors, you can always place your order. Okay, like look at this, look at the beauty of these and the flow, the entire joy. I have received the very last piece of this. Now the whole idea is that we make these very capsule, very premium collections for you that you can kind of just have and just wear and just only for you. You know, I mean, that's the whole idea of making these beautiful ones. There you go. I'm going to give you a glimpse of the tissue fabric that we made for you. Now, can I get the Gul Buta? So this, now look at this soft color. It's so pretty. I think, you know, silk like these, that's what you're going to be finding, are so versatile that you're going to be wearing. I think it looks amazing with the white. You know, of course, बहुत सारे colors आप इसमें से कुछ भी you can wear, but the white is absolutely special. Okay, so there you go. And I'm going to do that first, and then I'm going to do a show closing piece. It's most beautiful. I really want to show that to you. First things first, this tissue fabric, you know, this is everything that we wanted for tissue, because what we've really done with this is we've composed satin with it. So it lasts longer. It has that look of tissue with the most intricate, look at that. Can you see that Karwa Bhuta? And you know, I really don't have the guts to open it. It's very, you know, it's to open right in front of you when you want to see it, enjoy it. And that's one very special piece that we've created for this season. And there you go, the black in it. Oh, look at that sheen. Of course, the price of this, and this is very different. This is very dense motif that we have given, and the idea being that you can kind of go for this one. You want a very heavy dressier look, then this is for you. Just look at the sheen. It is like gold. I tell you, it's most amazing. And I'm going to close the show with one stellar pieces. And again, you know, I'm going to show it to you like this. Okay, this is something that you've not seen. Okay, I have a real silk tissue with zari. You know, it's like a cloth, it's like a sari. It's about 100 years old, and what it has in it is pure tissue silks, and of course real silver zari tar, and you know, silk which has been composed, which gives you the sheen like nothing else altogether. I mean, of course I don't wear it today, but it's one singular thought which has always made me want to revive tissue, and tissue in a form that just has that sheen of gold. And so, you know, this with one of our master craftsmen, we've been trying to work this out for many years, trying to find the right karigars who can work together to be able to create this. And it's taken me, and I'm not kidding, it's taken me about 2.5 to 3 years to be able to make this piece. I'd seen a very small swatch even like 5-6 years back of a vision, and then we said that I want to make it, and too many difficulties, too many issues. And I'll tell you, I've never also opened any of the pieces once they've come from finishing, but I'm going to do it for you, because this is the life and this is everything that we do, and you can see this. So this is, yes, for me it's a dream come true to be able to make this tissue dupatta for you. And you know, this is how it's wrapped. We put these, you know, what do you call this, sponge bubble, you know, in between to kind of maintain it. It's never opened once after it's finished. What you're seeing here, so therefore you can see that one crease because we've never opened it, we've never ironed it. It's a pure silk tissue by tissue dupatta made in Karwa with over 26 colors in Meena. It's something of an art. It's something of a collectible, and it's very precious to us, and we just really be happy that we have been able to make this for you. Okay, what are you going to be wearing this with? You can just wear anything, any color, but because the whole look is going to be about this dupatta when you wear it, okay? And one piece only, and of course it's available right away for you to see, for you know, and for you to be able to order. It's absolutely mind-blowing, and I'm just so happy to be sharing this with you right here. Thank you so much for joining in our life today. Yeah, we do kind of take the greatest care, and so should you once you have gotten this piece. It's a treasure that you are going to be cherishing for a very long time. All the prizes, all the details are on request. The most elaborate and most beautiful collection for you, and of course Rosanna, which is just beauty on a different level, and that you can wear and enjoy any day, on any occasion, and make it yours. Okay, so the last and the first live of the week, we're really super excited. I just could be able to do it. It was kind of quick just arranging this and to be able to do it, but we are very happy we did. And anything else we want to share? Okay, I'm going to just say this again. We're going to be in Chandigarh on 26th, the entire day from 10 to 8 at Hyatt Centric, Sector 17, at the Centric Room on the first floor. Studio 1, Centric Studio 1, the first floor. And Ludhiana, very important to remember कि 27th को हमारा 2 बजे से शुरू होएगा show, because we're traveling from Chandigarh, setting it up for you and then coming and hosting you. So 27th से 2 बजे शुरू होएगा, which is at the Hyatt Regency, in Ludhiana on the 7th floor, I think the Regency Club. Yeah, and what's the road? It's the I'll tell you the road also. जो भी आपको details चाहिए, just come on WhatsApp. Come along, get your friends, get your family, and I know many of you sending your husbands and sisters for shopping. Yes, do that. Come with the wish list. It's going to be very, very easy. It's Firozpur Road, Ludhiana. So Hyatt Regency, Ludhiana, 2 बजे से. But 28 तारीख को हम पूरे दिन है from 10 to 8, and yes, so that will be our Punjab show, which we're so excited about. For everybody online, this was the last live for this week, and yes, the whole idea was that जब shows होते हैं उन दिन mornings में sometimes it's possible. This time you know our schedule, it's back to back. So because we won't be able to do the live, we said we will do this last Peti live with all that is going to be going out tomorrow. So the first ever of our Peti show, because we do carry these treasure pieces with us many a times. बट हमने सोचा वी वांट टू मेक इट फन फॉर यू. कुछ ही थे, सब नहीं थे, बट हमने देखा कि आपको दिखाना चाहिए हमें इन दिस. एंड या आई थिंक वी शुड डू मोर ऑफ दीज पेडी शोज. आई ट्रैवल सो मच and I'm going to be taking all of those petis. And remember, tomorrow, if you really are in the mood to shop and maybe you are in a place that we don't have a show and you want our team to come, they will come with their petis to show it to you anywhere in India. And that's a promise. So for that, you need to always ask us, because you know the shows will always be based on where we have our clients, where we have been based. But I know there may be some small other places. बहुत सारी जगह. I mean, हमने क्या 4 जगह cover की या 5 या 6 in India. And India is so vast that probably you are somewhere in Karnataka or Tamil Nadu or wherever in India, and you're really in the mood to see our best, our pieces. My team with their petis will come to you to show them to you. Okay, so thank you so much, and show us some love, Chandigarh, Ludhiana. We really will wait for you. So treat this as my welcome note to you, and big love to everybody else. And I will see you really soon again. We'll keep the updates coming, of course, for all the fun that's going to be there. But live next week, we'll see you on 31st. So yeah, that's all from us, and thank you. See you. Wish us luck, and I really hope to see all of you. Thank you guys. Thank you.